Hello there guys, and today we're going to take a look at the Pioneer PCC-730. As you can see, this one is boxed, in pretty good condition. This one is an analog phone, and so obviously it's not going to work on today's network. You can't even put a SIM card in this one. This one is the old analog. Usually I ring the old mobiles. You can hear them ring. This one I won't be able to ring, obviously, because it's analog. But we can still have a look at the menu and have a quick look at it. Still actually powers up with, if I use this modern battery. Right then, let's have a look. Let's open him up. Oh, and yeah guys, I've just in the middle of trying to make a new a background. Yeah, obviously it's not completed yet. I still got to do a few phones to go in there yet. But yeah, that's going to be my new background. Anyway, let's just have a look at you so I can string it. Tell you what, easy if I just do it like this. Take that off. Obviously you've got a leaflet. You've got the charger, and you've got the docking cradle. I'll show you the docking cradle. There's a docking cradle. And we have we have a charger. Yeah, very interesting, isn't it? Charger. Very interesting. Right, put that back in there. That's the charger. There is the actual phone. That's what we're all waiting to see, really, aren't we? The phone. Here he is. So I plonk this down here in a minute. Let's just have a quick look at this. The only thing I didn't have with this phone is the manual. That's all I had was this warranty papers. That's all I had with this. It's just all the blah 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 blah. It don't really interest me, to be honest with you. This is what interests me, the phone. Right, just put the battery on a minute. Obviously the original battery's in that box as well, but it's no good. So I've got my modern battery. This will actually work on all the Motorola's. Basically, this is a Motorola product. Basically, with just a Pioneer badge. Because obviously this is a Motorola battery, and it fits on you, so that tells you it all, doesn't it? It's the flip. You have the thick flip, the chunky flip, the pull-out antenna, aerial, whatever you want to call it. You have the buttons, MR, M+, cancel. This one is red. It's just you think that that's to hang up. Well, it's not. The official focus. That's to hang up. Arrow down. And that's lifted up. To me, that's quite strange, but this is quite an old phone, so right, just power it up. Yeah. Just close the flip up so you can have a look what it looks like. Not a bad phone. Like I said before, this will not work on today's technology. It is on, I don't know if you can see, but it is on. You can see the things on it. Right, this up, and what can we do on here to show you? I can't do for much because it's not much a menu in here, so it's not a lot I can do really to show you the settings. But I think if I press MR, recall, and press 1, will I do anything? Couple of numbers. That's just telling them that's 1. But if you go like MR1, that was like a number in there. MR2 was another number in there. MR3, you could store numbers in each button by pressing R1. So let's press R1 again. Press 2. Nothing in that one. Nothing in any of them, I don't expect. MR3. Oh, you are. There's a number in that one. I don't know what number that is, mine, but it's probably old-fashioned numbers. Try MR5. Oh, MR5. Nope. MR3 then. It's got a number in MR3. The only number that I've got though. There you are. MR3. It's got a number in that location. Like I said, every number of these was a store. Like, for instance, you have like your mum's telephone number in number 1, your brother's in number 2, your dad's in number 3, and then you press memory recall and press the number, and the number would come up. That's how we used to work with these phones. So obviously it's quite old, and technology have moved on quite a lot. So that's an old telephone number there, which ain't going to work no more because it's it don't start with 07. So like this, see if I can make this ring with the volume, you know, get the volume to thing. I've been looking at it and I think I know how to do it. I think you press arrow up and then press, there you are. Now we're making a ring. That's how it would have rung back in the day. Volume up and down if it's going quiet. Just pretend it's ringing, is it? Hey, it's working, who's ringing me? I suppose I could always walk around the streets, keep on pressing that and I think it's ringing like. Although I would be a bit pointless. But anyway, that is an old analog phone. which you don't you can't use anymore. I love to be able to use this now, but I just can't. But it would be fun. Although I have got one exactly the same as this. You've even got the thick flip like this as well. The thick flip. The buttons are more or less the same. This bit is very slight, well, more or less the same, but a little bit different. You know, the aerial here is a bit different. I've got one of them, and it's a GSM. Exactly the same, similar phone, exactly the same, more or less. Which is here. And I will be showing that next on my next video. And that one's the GCM version of this. That one will still work, but this one won't. It works, but you won't be able to get the signal from this one. But this one here is the Pioneer PCC-730. PCC-D700. Now this one is a GSM one. Where does it say GSM? There, GSM. So this one will actually work on today's networks. But anyway, that's going to be on my next video coming soon. So look out for that one. And anyway, that's the Pioneer PCC-730. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And I can't wait to put another one on you. And thanks for watching. And bye!